Hey guys, Lee Lamont here. We are at 8205 Forest Hills Boulevard and we've got a broker open today. It's Wednesday, 10 till 2, and typically we do this for homes that are not yet on the market. They're usually coming soon in MLS, and it's an invitation for other colleagues in the local area to be able to preview a property before we officially go live. This listing is $3.295 million, so on 0.6 of an acre. There's 6 full bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, there's a swimming pool in the back, and you can check this house out at my YouTube channel, which is called Luxury Homes in Dallas, or on my Instagram. Talk to you soon. So we just wrapped up our broker open house here at 8205 Forest Hills Boulevard. This is in Forest Hills and on the shores of White Rock Lake. People that may have prospects, may have buyers for this home, so they get a sneak peek into it. But I just wanted to thank you for checking this out. Of course, please be sure to click on the link below, hit the notification button, and if you check out my channel, and if you're thinking about moving to Dallas, whether that's next week, next quarter, or next year, be sure to give us a call. This is Lee Lamont. Till next time, cheerio.